Hello Kenta friends. In today's video, we will be discussing the best Samsung Launcher applications for Android. If you're looking to personalize your device and give it a sleek Samsung Galaxy S10 or Note 10 look, then you've come to the right place. So let's dive in and explore these amazing options. S10 Launcher. S10 Launcher is a launcher application specifically designed to provide users with a similar user experience to the Samsung Galaxy S10. This application adopts a design and features that are similar to the Samsung's default launcher but with enhanced and additional features such as S10-style icons, custom wallpaper themes, smooth transition effects, customizable widgets, and much more. S10 Launcher helps users transform the look and feel of their Android devices to resemble the Samsung Galaxy S10. S10 Launcher. S10 Launcher is also a launcher application designed to offer users a similar user experience to the Samsung Galaxy S10. By installing this application, users can transform their device interface into a S10-like appearance. This application offers various features such as S10-style icons, custom wallpaper themes, smooth transition effects, well-organized app drawer, voice command, and much more. Users can easily customize and adjust different aspects of the interface through the app settings. Note 10 Launcher. Note 10 Launcher is a launcher application that brings a similar look and feel to the launcher on Samsung Galaxy Note 10. This application offers features such as beautiful Note 10 icons and themes, smooth transition effects, voice command, live features, easy app drawer arrangement, and more. With Note 10 Launcher, users can easily transform the look of their Android devices into a design similar to the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. And that concludes our discussion on the best Samsung launcher applications for Android. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more exciting videos.